this firm called RENX. And the story is quite compelling, actually. Their founder is a serial entrepreneur with a really impressive track record, and they're doing all this stuff with AI, and it all sounds very exciting. But what it comes down to is they need to start selling their product. And we simply pointed to the fact that they had 4 regional sales managers, 12 account executives, and they haven't been able to sell their tests. 16 dedicated salespeople should be selling a whole lot more than what we saw them selling back then. As a matter of fact, we said that if this Kidney Intel X product that they have can indeed deliver cost savings of up to $1.1 billion over 5 years per 100,000 patients, then this test offering should be selling itself, right? Well, guess what? It's not. And since we said that, the share price is down 97%, and they still don't have meaningful revenues. What gives? Well, who cares what gives? They can't sell this test in meaningful quantities, and they're sinking into oblivion. And this is very important. The rule that we have isn't just you have to have revenues. They have to be meaningful. We define that as $10 million per annum. Okay, that's a round number. Yeah, but it actually works quite well. I've seen a fair number of companies that haven't been able to break that $10 million mark. So it definitely is effective. And don't go start smoking that somebody's going to buy them hopium, right? I see that quite a bit. And honestly, it rarely happens when companies start sinking down to market caps sub $50 million, because that's really not a lot of money at all. And anybody could just step in and acquire them, and they're not, because a company ultimately is a cash generating machine potentially. And if there's not the potential to generate cash, if it's just a big money pit, it actually has a negative value compared to its market cap. So there's a reason that companies don't get acquired when they're that small. That's a very naive newbie investor mistake to think that a company is cheap because it's quite small. It's actually the opposite. It's a big red flag.